HyperOS, but with more features and customization options. Welcome to RageOS ROM.
The Virax TV.
Before you proceed with the custom ROM installation, make sure you have an unlocked bootloader and a pre-installed custom recovery, like Orange Fox Recovery. If you don't have, you can check our separate tutorial for the bootloader unlocking and installation of custom recovery. Link will be provided in the description box below.
To install the RageOS custom ROM to your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, you need to download this flashable file and save it in your internal storage. Once downloaded, power off the device and reboot to Orange Fox Recovery by holding power button and volume up simultaneously until you see the Orange Fox logo. Inside Orange Fox Recovery, locate the flashable file and flash it without changing anything in recovery settings. After flashing, go back to Home and proceed to Wipe tab, the one with the trash bin icon. Select Format Data, then type Yes to proceed formatting data. Once done formatting the data, you are now safe to reboot to system. First boot may take some time. Once booted to the welcome screen, just set it up like a new device. Now you have successfully installed the RageOS custom ROM on your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Here's a quick preview of the ROM. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!